Wherever you wander on the railway, you're likely to find that Mr. Damphool has left a card. Sometimes he's a big shot and leaves a superior card like this. Sometimes he's just a grade 2 porter and gets his card same as you or I. Now, the funny thing about Damphool is that he never learns by experience. We know better, you and I, than to stand on buffer spindles when we have to climb up, for instance, to examine the condition of a load. We know that we ought to put our insteps on the guides, and in any case, unpleasant occurrences would soon have taught us to do so. But not Damphool. Oh, no. He jumps up and stands on the spindles. So that when the buffers compress, he gets nipped. No! No! By the way, you haven't met Damphool yet, have you? This is him, with the goggle eye and a cap 3 sizes too small for his swelled head. The maddening thing is that very often he's able to limp away laughing from the scenes of his damn foolishness, whereas you or I would be carried off feet first on a stretcher. However, he laughs loudest who laughs last. Time will tell. It's a long lane that has no turning, and so forth. Oh, talking of long lanes, I always walk in the cess myself, and no doubt you do the same. If for some reason we have to walk in the forefoot, we make sure we walk facing the traffic, and glance down at the keys, which give a good idea of the direction of traffic. Not so Damphool. He trips gaily along, throwing caution to the winds. See what I mean? Once again, for you and me, it would have been a case of halos and harps. But Damphool says he's like a cat, got 9 lives. Well, that's 2 of them gone anyway. Here's another example of the sort of thing I mean. Damphool has dropped his teeth in the points. Serves him right, I mean to say. The way you or I would fetch out anything from between a switch and stock rail would be to try and hook it with a stick. But if we couldn't manage that, we'd put a block in position to prevent the points being moved while we stuck a finger in. Hi, those are Dampfools. Ah, he's noticed they're missing.
What's it? Where are my teeth? My teeth? My teeth?
Now, you can guess how he'll go about the job of retrieving them. Just as I thought. Shoves his hand straight in and gets squeezed.
No!
Teeth squashed, fingers squashed. Damphool squashed? Unfortunately, no. Look at this. The shunter admittedly has left these wagons standing foul. But here comes Damphool jumping out from behind stationary rolling stock. That's dangerous enough. Then he has to take a ride on the train, just to save himself a few moments' walk. It's working near points, and... Ah! He gets crushed. Daredevil Damphool. That's how he likes to think of himself. The hospitals are full of him. Or when it's not the hospitals, it's the cemeteries. Now, when you or I are engaged on shunting, we take good care to rest the pole on a buffer guide to get the leverage for uncoupling. I don't need to tell you that Damphool, as often as not, puts it on the spindle. In fact, the things that fella does with a pole, he sticks it everywhere, except where it'll do him most good. You must have seen him at this trick, of course. There he goes again. Yes, familiarity breeds contempt. That's all too obvious. This lookout fellow will tell you that he's one of the dullest jobs on the railway.
And yet it's one of the most important, perhaps the most important, for he exists solely to keep his mates alive. Heaven forbid that Damphool should ever be on lookout duty. When this chap gives us the warning, you and I, of course, immediately get well clear of all roads. But what's this? I might have guessed it. Hanging on till the last moment.
Oh!
Well, that's another life gone out of your boasted 9. Only 3 left now. You see, one of the dangers of getting clear in a hurry is that you're likely to trip on the rails. You and I always step over the metals, that's understood. But watch Damphool. At the last moment, he gets his heel wedged. Hasn't a hope. Yet he calls himself a gay dog who can give points to the Navy. A widow in every station. Of course, sometimes the biter gets bit. And it was with no great sorrow that I saw Damphool suffering from someone else's carelessness. He'd been assembling some stock. It was a rush job, and the cleaners were still at it when the engine came on. Damphool, not doing anything for the moment, couldn't get into trouble. Or so he thought. You know they have to pull onto the carriage road and then back across the down slow to get a train away. So poor old Damphool got it both ways. Of course, the cleaner was more to blame than he was. But it just goes to show that a railway is a place where a lot of heavy things are actively moving about. And it behoves everyone to take care. At last, it seems Damphool is taking some precautions. Of course, he ought not to walk in the forefoot at all, but he has at least made sure that he's going against the traffic. But caution, Damphool, you've lost 8 of your lives. Ah, he hears a train approaching. Yes, there it comes. Oh, do be careful, Damphool. Never trust your ears on a railway. Oh, look out! Well, that appears to be the end. All railwomen are cordially invited to be present at what is hoped will be the final interment of Mr. Damphool.